Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find Instagram users near me. Open your Instagram app. First, you need to tap on the search icon in the bottom. And here, you need to search the name of your area. Next, you can find places option in the top right corner. So, you need to tap on it. So now you need to select your area from the list of suggested locations. Now click on this recent option to view the most recent posts from people in your area. Now you will see photos posted by people in your area also. From there, you can click on the users' accounts and explore their profiles. That way, you can find Instagram users near you. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.